I am Dr. Prakash Patwardhan, working as a neurosurgeon in Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, Pune for last 30 years. The government of India has declared a lockdown for coronavirus disease pandemic, not to spread that COVID-19 disease. Most important thing in lockdown period is not to panic and keep the positive attitude. We should understand the basic thing of coronavirus disease, which spreads by droplet infections. So safe distancing from every person by every person is for every person. So the physical and mental health one should keep in this lockdown period is a very important aspect of life. The good 8 hours sleep, early waking up, and then doing in-house exercises like yogasanas, weightlifting, push-ups, dips, jumping, climbing the staircases, exercise cycle. These can be done on empty stomach in the morning or evening as per every person, but should be done on empty stomach before eating. This will keep you in a good physical health and keep your weight in control. Heavy breakfast, moderate lunch and meager dinner with good hydration will keep you in good health. Approximately 3 to 3.5 liters of liquids in any form are welcome. Out of these 3.5 liters, 80% should be drinking water and 20% should come from sharbats, buttermilk, coconut water, and meager amount in form of tea and coffee and milk. Don't eat heavy, oily and spicy food every day. Light food, that is good amount of carbohydrates, moderate amount of proteins and very less amount of oils and fats, but rich in supplementary micronutrients, vitamins in form of fresh green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, sprouted pulses and legumes. Dal and rice is a correct way of eating. In doing meditations, the yogic health, this mental health, one should have religious prayers, upasanas and meditation are the good for mental health. Don't sit in front of TV for a longer time, but watch regularly about news updates about the corona disease. Now about the prostatic health in lockdown. So we will come across 3 types of patients in this lockdown period. First, who haven't consulted any time with the urologist. Second category, the person have mild symptoms and have consulted urologist. And third category is post-operative, that means they have undergone surgery and have consulted urologist. So in second and third categories, those who have consulted urologists should follow all the instructions given by urologist and take medicines regularly according to the advice, or be in touch with your urologist with telemedicine. Those who have not consulted any urologist should exercise properly and take some precautions like moderate water intake, good hygiene, taking proper treatment for their comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, and keeping these comorbidities under control. Proper hydration and good bowel habits and no alcohol in any form will lead to control your symptoms for the time being. In severe symptoms like urinary retention, incomplete urination, hematuria, you should consult your urologist and take an appointment in a multi-speciality hospital, because in a single visit you can consult the urologist and do all the investigations needed. But you should go out with proper safety gears like masks, and when you go home, wash your hands properly and take proper shower. Thank you.